Okay, my alternator seems to be going bad, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. So the first thing I need to do is move this reservoir out of the way, and then after that I done loosened my negative battery cable. I gotta take this off right here, this clip off right here. I think this is a 8mm. Then I gotta take this brace off right here, and before I do that I gotta take this belt off right here. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll come back. Okay, what I need to do now is take this belt off, and then once I get the belt off I can start on this brace right here and then start on the alternator. Okay, this bolt right here was a 15 right here, and this was a 14. So I'll go ahead and pull these off right here. This comes off right here. It goes down like that. I just put the bolt over here with a nut. I'll put the nut over here, and then this bolt right here comes straight out. Like that. I'll go ahead and put this aside like that. Okay, the next thing I need to do is just take off this right here, and then this clip right here, and this alternator to lift straight out, just like that. Okay, this is actually a 10mm bolt, but it comes straight out like that. This 10mm nut is what it is. Okay, I'll take this and put it aside right here. Okay, and this clip comes out right here, and this comes out right here. Probably have to put the camera down to loosen that. Then after that, the whole thing will lift out, just like that. Okay, I done got everything loose, so all you have to do now is just pull the whole alternator out. I may have to get like a pry bar or something to lift it out from under here, but that's all you have to do. And installation is just reverse. Okay, I done put everything back together. I started to anyway. I put my alternator in through here first. Actually, I lined it up to where I could put my bolt in right here. Then I got my other bolt down here, and then I got my brace right here. So after I do that, I put in my clip right here, this other one right here. I think after that, I'll go ahead and tighten everything down. Then I can put my belt back on, and then that should be it.